Morning, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and this is Monday, January the 31st. And we're going to check on this hive, the one that had the queen cell last week, and we're going to see if we can find a queen today, because it is a much better day today. It is warm.
Answer your phone!
So we're going to check them. This is hive number 601, the one that had the queen cell, and we're going to see what they're doing today. I got all my dates mixed up last week because of all the cold weather, and when it gets cold my brain don't work properly. I need the sunshine to charge up my battery. But they're flying good today. They're eating their sugar. Move. Move, girl. Move. Move. Okay. Let's see if we can find that baby queen. All to one side, so we got a little room in here. They could have made queens in December and not swarmed. Could be two queens in here. We saw one queen last week. We have drones. He's bringing in pollen. That one's okay, so we're just going to lean it up on the hive here. Look at the next one. Got a little sun coming through here, so we got some sunshine to help us out. Queen cell, they're still cutting it down, but we will remove it this time. Got brood in there. Okay, now we got some sunshine back here. We have brood, we have pollen, we have nectar, we have drones. See, we got drones, so we can be making queens, or they can be making queens. Little queens are hard to see though. It has some honey, it has some pollen, it has some nectar. We're going to go ahead and remove that queen cell. Queen cell is right. Get some of the bees off of it. Okay, it's right there. My bees are calm, by the way. I don't know if y'all noticed that or not. There it is right there. We're going to just remove that. That way they'll finish filling in that hole. And it's hooked onto the fishing line. There it is. There she opened up. There they are starting to cut it down. and they'll finish filling in that hole. Bottom looks pretty good. A few dead ones in there, but it's warm enough for me to do this for a short period of time, but it's not warm enough for me to get in there completely, clean it all out and everything, because it's still cool. But they got enough time today to heat it up. There's the queen. She's got some white on her, so I think she's the old queen. This one has brood and has larvae, brood. They look like there could be some young eggs in there, but I don't know. Yep, has eggs. This one I'll probably check once a day. We can check it once a day, okay. A lot of bees on there. This down here is nothing, I don't think. Nope, nothing down there. We're just waiting for her to lay some eggs in there. This is pollen, mostly brood and larvae. There's a little queen right here bringing in some pollen that they're getting from somewhere, but have no idea. If anybody can come up with where they think they're getting it from, let me know. This one has honey, nectar, no eggs, but she has room to lay. This one has more brood on it. Let's see if we can get them to move off a little bit. Now when you do this, people, don't squish it. Just put your hand up there, they'll move. Okay, we have brood. Don't see another queen. This one has drones. We're going to start making some drones here very shortly. I mean some queen cells. But this is all got something. This has nothing in it. This is honey. This is nectar. There are nectar in there, got nectar up here, so they're doing okay. So we're gonna put them all back together and say we didn't see the queen. We're not saying we got one other than the older queen. Don't know where that queen cell come from. Let's look at this one more time. Supposed to be a warm week. Okay. We'll probably come back here in a couple of 2 or 3 days. Check them again, because we're supposed to have a warmer week this week. We had snow or flurry 3 weeks ago over the weekend, and it got cold. Then the next weekend we had snow, and it got real cold. This week we had more snow on the weekend, and it got colder. And then today, figure Saturday night and Sunday morning we had 19 degrees plus the wind chill, whatever that was. And I guess 19 degrees, I don't really do a whole lot to worry about. We're going to put that back down there. And cover her up. Just in case we get another one of them there storms. I run out of straps, so I'm using nylon cord. Does a good job. But that's them, people. Y'all have a great day. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees. Give us a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and share. Let's see what we can do here with the bees on the bottom. They're coming in. Y'all have a great day.